Watch this video to know how to make them. In this project, we'll make a stylish geometric design polymer clay necklace and ring. Let's make geometric beads for the necklace first. Start with shaping a ball in pink clay. Roll up a small cylinder. Cut it in half. Now form cubes or cuboids. The shapes may not be exact, but the parallel sides should be approximately the same. Pierce the details through using a thick needle or toothpick. The clay may deform, so shape the details with a ruler. Make geometric beads in clay of other colors by following the same steps. It's time to bake the details. The clay we are using should be baked at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Follow the instructions on your polymer clay package. While the beads are in the oven, make a ring. As usual, start with shaping a ball. Cut it in half. We'll use one semi-sphere. Cut off the round sides at an angle to make facets. Thus, we'll imitate a gemstone shape. You can apply a transparent lacquer coat upon the baking. Let's continue making the necklace. We'll partly paint the beads. Wrap the details around with thread to create an intricate pattern. Twist the ends to keep the thread in place. Choose the thread that doesn't leave fibers. Take a flat brush and bronze paint. Cover the thread, keeping the other sides unpainted. Remove the thread when dry. Give the beads a final coating of transparent lacquer, which dries to a smooth, clear gloss. Cover all the sides. Make a composition of the most beautiful elements. Put the beads onto thread. Tie a knot. Add multi-purpose glue to the pad of a blank ring. Attach the clay base. The smart geometric design polymer clay necklace and ring will emphasize your casual outfit by creating an abstract image accent.
Today, we'll mold a funny owl keychain in polymer clay. To start with, we need polymer clay of different colors: blue, peach, white, black, and red. We need a keychain ring as well. Let's mold on a cutting board. Take blue clay, knead, and roll into a ball shape to make the owl body. Press and roll to get a bulb top cylinder. Make the bottom flap. Roll 2 more small clay balls. Mold them into the wings. They should look like triangles. Done! Make small ears by molding 2 balls into drops. Attach the details to the body. Don't press too hard to avoid a deformation of the clay body. First, attach the wings. Secure the upper part, leaving the low end loose. Attach the second wing to the other side of the body. Now attach the ears. They are on the top between the wings. The funny bird is getting a recognizable outline. Take 3 balls in peach clay, 1 bigger and 2 smaller. Roll out. Start with the biggest one. You've got a circle shape. Make 2 more circles for the eyes. Take a bit of white clay to shape 2 balls. Press over with your finger. The details are small. You don't need to roll them out. It will be the whites of the eyes. Shape 2 teeny balls to make the pupils. Put them into the center of the whites and place everything onto the peach detail. Make a red cone-shaped beak. Prick the big peach detail to make an embossed belly. Use a toothpick. Let's assemble the details. Make the eyebrows by pricking the peach part of the eyes with a toothpick. Pin a keychain ring on the top. Bake the owl at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Our polymer clay keychain is ready. This owl will keep your keys safe for you to find them anytime, anywhere.
Today, we'll turn ordinary paper clips into the funny embellishments, lips, and lollipop in polymer clay. Lay a cutting board to work with the clay. We'll need 2 colors of the polymer clay, green and red. Start with the red. Take a small piece, knead it, and roll a ball. Now make a thin roll. Try to make it of the same size across the entire length. Tear off the excess. Repeat for the green clay. The roll should be of the same size. If they are different, roll the shortest again. Twist the rolls to form a rope. Coil the clay rope to shape a snail. Be careful to make the coils lie in the same plane. When the snail is 1 inch in diameter, tear off the excess. We'll be decorating paper clips, so the embellishment should not be too heavy. Define the shape. Done! See how it'll fit the paper clip. Perfect! Now, we'll only need red clay. Mold the lips. Make a small ball. Roll to shape a cylinder. Mold the upper lip by shaping a wave or the letter M. Make a ball for the lower lip. Roll out with the rolling pin, not too thin. Place the upper lip on top to see if they are of the same size. If the lower lip is less in size, add some more clay. Shape a ball and roll out. Now it's of the right size. Press the circle over the sides to change the shape. Attach the upper lip. Define the shape. Add some relief using a craft knife. See how it'll fit to the clip. Bake the crafts at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Follow the instructions on the polymer clay package as for the exact baking time and temperature. Hot glue the ready embellishments to the clips. Add a bit of hot glue to the back of the detail. Press over to the clip top. Attach the snail-shaped detail in the same way. This is the way we have turned the plain, boring paper clips into the bright, festive decorations. Now, these useful and beautiful lips and lollipop are ready to make you feel happy even on a rainy day.
In this tutorial, we'll make a whale-shaped brooch in polymer clay. We'll need polymer clay of different colors, black, white, and blue, a brooch pin back, and multi-purpose glue. Prepare a pattern. Draw a whale outline on thick paper. Make the silhouette recognizable. It resembles a tailed drop. Cut it out with scissors. Lay a protecting cover. Take white clay and shape a ball. Now roll out with a rolling pin. Done! Repeat for the blue clay. Take a big ball of black clay. Roll it out, but not too thin. Place the pattern on top and press down a bit. Cut out the outline with a craft knife. Remove the pattern. Define the shape. Cut out small white triangles. Repeat for the blue clay. Place the cutouts on the whale. Press the details over a bit. Bake the whale at 230 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes. Add some glue to the brooch pin. Attach to the whale back. Done! This original minimalism style whale brooch will embellish your outfit or a handbag.
Today, we'll make a bright mitten-shaped keychain from plastic. We need plastic of different colors, a keychain pin, key ring, and a craft knife. Draw a small mitten. Cut it out. Need a small piece of plastic. Make a thin roll. Try to make it even along the entire length. We've prepared rolls of 2 different colors. Take one, bend in half, and twist clockwise. Now take the roll of the other color, twist tightly counterclockwise. Place the details one by one. It resembles a knitting pattern. Lay the details alternating the rolls twisted in different directions. Place the mitten stencil on top. Cut out the proper size using a craft knife. Cut another piece. Now, cut along the mitten outline. Make another detail in the same way. Lay the mittens one onto another. Place the stencil on top. Trim the edges. Add some details, making the mitten look realistic. Now, roll over the plastic roll to get a flat strip. The plastic strip will outline the mitten, assembling the craft. Attach it along the edge. Tuck a keychain pin.
Now you should bake the mitten for 8 minutes at 230 degrees Fahrenheit. You can find baking instructions on the clay packaging where recommended time and temperature are indicated. Attach a chain with a keyring. The funny keychain shaped as a bright knitted mitten will keep your keys safe and make you feel good on a cold and gray winter day. Comment and give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and be the first to see new accessory making tutorials.